Hey everyone, welcome to Valor's channel. Today I'll show you what to do if voice chat isn't working in Valorant. First, go to search and type privacy microphone privacy settings. Click change and ensure everything's enabled. Scroll down and check that all options are on. Next, go to sound settings. Right click and select sounds. Let's see which microphone we are using. Yes, right click, click on properties, then enable use this device and click apply. Okay. Then go back to the properties and make sure it's set to 100. This means the microphone is fully working. Next, go to settings, put two check marks there if they are not present and click OK. Click OK. Then go to the settings, record sound, sound settings, and select the functioning microphone again. Check if it works. If it doesn't, but you are sure that it's fully functional, run the troubleshooter, diagnose the problem, and that's all. You've had a whiler everyone for now.